Hello, guys. Let us talk about game yeBafana Bafana against Rwanda. So, guys, let us speak the facts. Lana, guys, iBafana Bafana bekumele iwine la, guys. Lana ucoach, guys, konke kwenzile ukwenze kahle la, guys. Lento ebesikhala ngayo ukuthi lapha in the middle of the park kwangamele vele ucoach adlalise uMkwena, adlalise uSithole, then bese edlala uMbule as a playmaker nje kuphela, guys, against iZimbabwe, ekubeni sibe siyidinga iwin, ekubeni si-desperate for iwin, cause uSithole benomkwena badlala ngendlela eyodwa. To me, bayama-holding midfielders. So if ekhipha uSithole ephinda efaka u-Obus noSithole nomkwena, kusayinto ecishe ifane futhi leyo. U-Obus kusayi-holding midfield. But if kuthiwa uyabheka kule game against Rwanda, uvele wafaka uMbatha and akazange amdlale u-Obus, okuyinto engingasho ukuthi-ke leyo ishintshe kakhulu igame against Rwanda, because manje usunomuntu okwazi uku-attack like uMbatha, uphinde ube noMbule, umuntu engingasho ukuthi he played him as a playmaker, and ukwenzile lokho uMbule as unumber 10. Uprovile ukuthi he is capable. Umnandi uMbule, and if ezomdlala nomuntu omnandi athekayo, uyakwazi ukuthi akunike i-outcome entswempu. So iBafana Bafana isenze saba proud, and soqhubeka-ke siyi-support. Abakade besupporta-ke iRwanda nabafunge bagomela bathi iBafana Bafana ayihamba iy'ndawo, hayi siyabazwela-ke bona ngoba sazoqhubeka siyi-support iBafana Bafana, and namanye ama-players, amanye ama-team siyawafisela ukuthi nawo a-improve ukuze mekufika-ke i-World Cup iskimu seBafana Bafana sibe sesishintshile, sesixubile namanye ama-team. Kodwa lokho ngeke kwenziwe ngoba kubhalansiswa, kodwa kufuna baziprove ama-players ukuthi ayadeserve ukuba kuBafana.